Have you ever wondered why some computers are small and sleek, while others are large and powerful? It often starts with one core component that dictates the entire physical foundation of your system. Motherboard size, also known as form factor, directly affects your PC build by determining the physical dimensions of your computer, the number of components you can install, and the case options available to you. Picking the right size is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else in your system. The core reason motherboard size matters is about standardization and compatibility. Motherboards come in several standard form factors, with a TX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX being the most common for personal computers. These standards define the board's physical dimensions, screw mounting points, and often dictate the general layout of component slots. A larger board offers more physical space for features like extra PCI Express slots, more memory slots, and more storage connections, while smaller boards prioritize compactness by sacrificing some of these expansion options. To choose the right motherboard size, start by considering your needs. If you want a high-performance gaming rig with multiple graphics cards, lots of storage drives, and plenty of room for expansion, an ATX motherboard is likely your best bet. If you are building a budget-friendly or mid-range system and need a balance of features and size, a Micro-ATX board is a great option. For compact setups like a home theater PC or a small desk build, a Mini-ITX board is ideal, though it will limit your expansion possibilities to one graphics card and usually to memory sticks. Understanding form factors also means knowing about standoffs, those small metal screws that elevate the motherboard from the case. Each form factor has a specific pattern of standoff holes. Using the correct standoffs prevents short circuits and ensures proper airflow. Cases are designed to support specific motherboard sizes, so a case made for Mini-ITX will not fit an ATX motherboard, and vice versa. It is like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, so checking case compatibility with your chosen motherboard form factor is a vital step. Ultimately, the size of your motherboard profoundly influences your PC's physical footprint, upgrade potential, and overall cost. By understanding these form factors, you can effectively plan your build, avoid compatibility headaches, and create a system that perfectly matches your performance needs and available space.